vehicle.
Hi, it's Andrew here at Gateway Toyota. Really excited to introduce another great vehicle in our pre-owned lineup. This is a 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive, and it's just under 20,000 kilometers. It's absolutely fantastic. This is in the Alpine white or super white color. A few great features on this. It's got the projector headlights on it. It has the Toyota safety sense, so it's got the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. It's got lane departure alert with steering assist, as well as the adaptive radar cruise control, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. And come and let me show you a few other features inside the vehicle. Of course, this is fully loaded with all the power options, power windows, power door locks. It's got tilt and telescopic steering, Bluetooth. It's got touchscreen audio on here, backup camera. You've got heated front seats. You've got 3 different modes. You've got Eco, Sport, and Normal for driving modes. This is an absolutely exceptional vehicle. For more information, you can give us a call at 780-439-3939 or visit us on our website at gatewaytoyota.ca or come down in person at 2020 103rd 8th Street Southwest in Edmonton. We can't wait to show you this incredible vehicle. I know you'll be so impressed. We'll see you soon. Take care.